Welcome to our channel. In this video we will see natural ways to whiten teeth at home. For more information about teeth whitening, please click the first link in the description. Having a beautiful smile, bright white, is the dream of many people. And yet, depending on our diet and our genetic capital, some will have teeth that turn yellow faster and more easily than others. Fortunately, there are many tips and recipes for homemade teeth whitening. Having white teeth is nowadays a criterion of beauty. It is also a sign, which shows that you take care of yourself and that you have good hygiene. However, we do not all have the same dental capital, and some people have naturally yellower dentin than others, or a tendency to absorb stains faster. To keep your teeth white, some good practices can be adopted. First of all, limit your consumption of tea and coffee, which strongly yellow your teeth. When consuming it, rinse your mouth with water, or better yet, wash your teeth. The nicotine contained in cigarettes is also to be avoided. It turns teeth yellow in record time, and in a long-lasting manner. Along with these good habits, good dental hygiene is essential. Brush your teeth 3 times a day, for 3 minutes. Remember to change your toothbrush regularly so that it does not lose its effectiveness. Mouthwash and dental floss can complement this brushing. Of course, if your yellow teeth are really bothering you, teeth whitening can be done by a professional, with a laser, or with professional products. Unfortunately, these treatments cannot be performed on fragile teeth, and above all, they are very expensive. Baking soda for homemade teeth whitening. Baking soda is a natural product, used in household products, such as toothpaste, or in homemade shampoo recipes. It is a gentle and effective cleanser, which also has a powerful whitening action. To use baking soda in homemade teeth whitening, it's easy. Just sprinkle some baking soda on your toothpaste, before brushing your teeth normally. Do this bicarbonate brushing only once a week, so as not to damage your tooth enamel. Indeed, bicarbonate is slightly abrasive, so it should be used sparingly, especially in people with sensitive gums. Tea tree essential oil to whiten teeth. Tea tree essential oil, also called tea tree, is full of health benefits. It is also very useful in our bathroom, to treat acne, cold sores, or even to whiten teeth. The essential oil of tea tree is a very good antibacterial and antifungal, which makes it an ideal oral care. It protects the teeth, cares for them and allows them to restore their original radiance. To benefit from its benefits, you can use it as a mouthwash. Pour 4 drops of tea tree essential oil in a glass of lukewarm water, before rinsing your mouth. The mixture should be kept for at least 30 seconds in the mouth, before spitting out. Be careful not to swallow this tea tree mouthwash. The tea tree can also be used with your toothpaste. Pour 2 drops on your toothpaste, directly on your toothbrush. Brush your teeth as usual. Be careful, this technique should not be used more than twice a week to avoid damaging tooth enamel. Whiten your teeth with lemon. It is well known, lemon is a beauty ally of choice, and an excellent detox ingredient. It also has a whitening action on the teeth. In fact, the acidity of lemon juice will attack tartar and dental plaque, which helps prevent cavities but also prevents teeth from turning yellow. On the other hand, its acidity can have an abrasive effect, and be painful for people with sensitive gums. In any case, do not use it more than twice a week to avoid damaging your tooth enamel. To use lemon for homemade teeth whitening, it's easy. Squeeze half a lemon over a bowl. Dip your toothbrush in the juice, and brush your teeth with it, as usual. Leave on for a minute, then rinse your mouth with clear water. You will see a result after a few weeks. Thank you for watching. For more information about teeth whitening, please click the first link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.